Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem. So in the first step, we need to just go to search bar and type your control panel and click here to open it. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. So once we are here in the control panel, we need to select view by as large icons, then just scroll down and click on sound. After update, what you have to do, you need to just try to disable the speakers and try to enable it again. And if this not work, just select it and click on properties. Once we are here, we need to go to levels tab, and if uncheck this option and set this up to the 100%. Go to enhancements tab and check this option, disable all enhancements. Now click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window, right click on the start icon and go to device manager. Now expand audio inputs and outputs. Right click here, select properties. You will get speakers option also, so try to update the drivers of speakers also. Go to driver tab, select update driver and search for automatically for drivers. Once done, close this window and then expand sound, video and game controllers. Again right click here, select properties, go to drivers tab and click on update driver and select this option. Once done, close all windows one by one and simply restart your system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. That will be a better way. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe.